Welcome again to Bill's Pre-K Tai Chi. Today we're going to do the second four movements, which start at where we left off at the playing the guitar. Now here, my weight is all on my right leg because we're now going to go backwards. We start by opening up to our right, and then we bring that right hand up by my ear. All my weight's on my right, I step straight back with my left, and then I pivot my right toe and my left heel, and I push and pull. Open up to the left, bring that hand to the ear, step back, push and pull. One more time, step back, push and pull. We do this 4 times. One more time, we step back, and we end up with our weight on our right leg, and we're holding the ball like we did earlier in the first segment. Now I'm going to empty step to the left, and this is called grass bird's tail. We reach out, we push out, and it's a block. We reach out, we pull that arm back, we shift our weight, put our wrists together, and we push the enemy away. We open up and we do one more big push. Boom. Now, we shift our weight back, we pivot on that left heel, pivot that toe. It's almost like I'm pigeon-toed. And now I bring that right foot in. I'm holding the ball with the right hand on the bottom. Step out, empty step, grass bird's tail. 2, pull back. Wrist against wrist, push, open up, and a big push. Once more, I shift my weight back, I pivot on that right heel, extend my right hand straight out, bring my toe in, and then rotate my body, step out, single whip. So let's show that whole thing again. We start here. Less commentary. We're playing the guitar. We open up to the right, bring that hand to the ear, we step straight back, we pivot on our toes, pull back again, push and pull, step back. This is called Repulse the Monkey. We do it 4 times. We step back, Repulse the Monkey 3, step back, Repulse the Monkey 4, and we're ending up with our weight on our right leg, holding the ball with the left hand on the bottom, empty step to the left, grass bird's tail. We reach out, we pull that arm back, we put our wrists together, block the enemy one more time, open up, and once more we push him away. Shift our weight back, we pivot on that left heel and the right toe. We're holding the ball with the right hand on the bottom, empty step with the right, grass bird's tail. Reach out, we pull that arm back, wrist against wrist, push the enemy, open up, one more big push, shift our weight back, pivot on that right heel, extend our right arm out, open up. This is called single whip. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please join me for the next 4. Thank you.